natural explanations considered. As much as the idea of a Dyson sphere is thrilling, scientists aren't jumping to conclusions. After all, the universe has a way of throwing curveballs, and there could be more natural explanations for what's happening with Tabby's star. In fact, many astronomers have been hard at work proposing alternative theories that could explain the star's strange dimming patterns. One such theory is the idea that the dimming might be caused by a swarm of comets or asteroids. Imagine a vast field of icy comets or rocky debris passing in front of Tabby's star, blocking out portions of its light. This could explain some of the irregular dimming events we've observed. But here's the kicker: the comets would have to be in just the right alignment to cause such drastic changes in brightness. So far, no one has seen evidence of a swarm large enough to account for the kind of dimming Tabby's star is experiencing. But it's still a possibility being studied. Another theory centers around a more stationary culprit, an uneven ring of dust orbiting the star. This would involve a dense cloud of cosmic dust that might obscure the star's light in irregular ways. Some have also suggested that the dimming could be caused by a planet swallowing another planet, causing debris to scatter in front of the star and momentarily block its light. While these ideas are intriguing, they all raise questions of their own. Would a dust cloud be this dense and uneven? Would the debris from a planetary collision cause such erratic dimming? As astronomers continue to investigate, the mystery deepens. No single theory has been able to fully explain the strange dimming of Tabby's star. Perhaps the truth lies somewhere between these natural explanations and the more extraordinary possibility of an alien megastructure. Only time and more data will tell.